Hey friends, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unbox a special kit for you. This is a Brutus Monroe kit and it's chocked full of goodies. This is not like one of their monthly kits, it's one of their special kits. I don't have the August kit of the month, but I do have the Homeroom Glow card kit, and this baby is exciting, so I cannot wait to open it up and show it to you. So let's go do that. All right, so here it is. This is the front of the box. This is gorgeous, and I'm super excited about it. Reminds me of my childhood. All the rainbow makes me think of like Lisa Frank and everything else, and I guess that's why they call it Homeroom Glow, because make you think of your school years. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this because, oh my gosh, it's got so much stuff in it. I'm gonna set this off to the side and we will start slowly pulling things out. Let's start off with some of our embellishments. We've got these beautiful neon sequins. It's a whole pack of them, and they're flat sequins. So they aren't gonna, they'll be super easy to mail. They're not going to be like the typical sequins that you see that have like the edges that kind of pop up a little bit. These are super, super flat. So let's just pop one of those in our hands so we can take a closer look, possibly. So you can see that it's just a super flat sequin that's fabulous. And then they have all the different colors. They have neon yellow, neon orange, neon pink, neon green, which is perfect. Perfect. And there's a lot of them here, so you've got a whole bag of embellishment goodie. Then we also have several colors of paper clips, which is fantastic because if the whole kit idea is homeroom, then that's great. And I love that they are colored. So it looks like I've got 5 in there. Awesome. And they're all like neon type colors. Wonderful. Ooh, then we have this bag of just deliciousness. Let's take a look. Oh, we have some Chroma Pens. And if you like their Chroma glazes, I know you're going to love that. Ooh, we have neon purple. Neon purple aqua pigment. I have all the other neon colors. There wasn't a neon purple, but there is now. I don't know if they're going to sell that in the future or if it happens to be in the store, but this is a little bit smaller bottle than you typically get, but look at that. I mean, I have never run out of an aqua pigment, and I even had one of my cats dump over one that I use all the time. So just saying, you'll have this for forever. But let's take a look at how neon that really is. If I can do the child lock. There we go. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, I love that. So let's pull out just a little scrap of paper. And we'll just put a little bit of that on there. And their aqua pigments are just basically aqua watercolor, or a wet watercolor. Rather than a pan, I'm blanking on what they actually are. It's, yeah. Liquid watercolor. It's a liquid watercolor. But look at how beautiful that color purple is. That is fabulous. So we've got a neon purple. Then we have Chroma Pens in color, the colors neon green and neon pink. So this is probably awesome in the sense that you have some control as to how you put your neon or your chroma glaze down. So this is great. So it's, oh my gosh, I love this. So then you could do like little dots of it. This is a brilliant idea. It's brilliant because I love their chroma glazes. So it's going to dry nice and shiny, but you have control as to how you're able to put it down. Oh, and it makes cute little dots. Let's see if you can pop those down to make them look a little bit like enamel dots as well. Yeah, you can flatten those out a little bit. That's fabulous. So you'll get a nice bit of dimension with those, and I think I'm kind of in love. And there is a lot in these little tubes. So that is awesome. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. All right. Then, here, oh, we have a die. We have a die, people. Oh goodness, look at this. So we have this die. It's going to cut out 2 options for you here. Let me just get a piece of paper and we'll do it for you. Let's just show you, shall we? Oh, so you get options. That is fabulous. And yes, it is one die, but there is a way, and I'll show you how, you can get the one edge, you know, either edge that you want without actually cutting both edges at the same time. So, but it's nice because it's a die that gives you two different types of edges. And it's your little notebook edge. Isn't that great? Makes me think of the Trapper Keepers and everything else. So there is a way to do this, you know, without cutting both edges. So we'll show you that. But there's this die. Love that. Then we have some foilables. Of course we do. Oh, these are fabulous. I think that's my word of the day, huh? Fabulous. Let's take a look at what we got here. So you got two of this one. Oh, you have two school buses. Ooh, you have two of these like wild print ones. And then you have two lockers. These would be fun to cut down and foil them or color them, however you want to do it. But isn't that great? So you've got 8 panels there. So that's basically 8 card fronts at least right there. And we'll have to foil one as well if I don't foil more. It's like I get going sometimes, and I'm sure with this kit I'm going to end up making a bunch of cards off camera as well, and I'll show you those afterwards. Oh, we have some stickers. Oh, and these are so cool. Oh, my like 10-year-old heart is just beating so hard. I was a sticker collector, and so this would have just, oh yes. And then we even have Create Your Own Ending. We've got love, we've got a unicorn, several hearts, broken heart, ice cream. This is great. This is so great. And I suppose even if you wanted to, you could somehow use the background for like, oh, I'll show you. I'm gonna come up with something with that. All right, then we have this stencil. Check this out. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's fabulous. So it's going to give you that pattern, that like wild pattern that's on the box, almost like an animal print. So that's fabulous. You get that too. Then we've got, let's go into the papers and things. You're going to get some neon cord. So look at this. You get a whole bit of neon cord. You've got some neon pink, yellow, and green. And it's nice and thin, so that's going to go on your cards very well. Or scrapbook pages or whatever you might want to use these for. But this is great. I remember making bracelets out of these. I was terrible at making the bracelets, but just terrible. And I was always so envious of those that could do it. I don't know if my patience just wasn't there or what, but love that. So there's more embellishment. I didn't show you the pin. Look at the pin. Is that not adorable? It's a little backpack with heart eyes. I love it. So you've got your pin. Then, oh yes, check this out. This will go well with some of the other things that I just recently bought. You get an Electropop neon ink in Orange Glow. These are the from Gina K designs, but this is the Rena K ink, and I cannot wait to ink this up. So this is the Orange Glow. There's several others. I ended up buying them, so I'm going to pull those in and use those with this kit as well. So that's fabulous that they have those in the store now. All right, here's our paper pad. Check it out. Detention Doodles. So you're going to get 8 patterns, 3 of each, 24 sheets. This is 6x6 paper. I'm going to cut it open like I typically would cut open my paper. This way it makes it easy to store and easy to still get back into. So that's how I like to, yeah, even I open up my stamps that way too. But let's take a look at what we have in here. Oh my gosh, these are so bright and vibrant. I love that. And I love that there's almost an outline on it, so you could easily cut these out, these images out of this one, and you could attach those to your cards if you wanted. That's great. So many options. Oh, I love that. Love that one. And of course there's chucks on there. There's got to be. A really pretty pink one. Look at that. So this is great because it's not just like, you know, you could use these cards for anybody. Anybody. They're not just going to be for girls, they're going to be for guys, they're going to be whoever. So look at that. 1, 2, 3. So there's your 8 patterns. And then you, like I said, you get 3 of each one. I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. And I know there's still some of these available. So of course I will have it linked down below. because wait till you see that stamp set. Just wait till you see it. Just wait. Okay, we're going to pull out all the rest of the paper in here before we get into the stamp sets. There's more than one stamp set. So we're going to have some of the Rena K, I think this is the Rena K flock, the neon flock, and we have it in yellow. And we also have it in pink. And then look at this. Ooh, these are like mirror card. 2 of those. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's fabulous. I gotta stop saying that word. All right, here we go. Look at our cardstocks. We've got some black neon green, neon yellow. We've got some red, some neon blue, neon purple, and our neon pink. Yes. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of cardstock in this kit. And these are good layering cardstocks. So grab your Not Your Mama's Heavyweight base cardstock to make your bases, and you're good to go with these. So you've got lots of creative options there. And then now let's get into the stamp sets. Here is our first one. It is notebook paper. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I just want to I want to write on there, and I'll write a whole little essay or something. This is called lined paper. Big fan of that one. Huge fan of that one. And how big is this? This is going to be like almost 4 inches. It's like 3 3/4 by 5 1/2. So it's pretty big. It is a big stamp. So this could be like your entire background. Yeah, that's huge. I love that. So there is that, and then we have our 4x8 stamp set, or 4x8, 6x8 stamp set called Back to School Dash. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it has 3 main images. You've got like this little bird, you got an owl here, and you've got like a little cat. I love it. And then we have all these little elements for school. You've got a pen, you've got like a little beaker, a book, a globe, a backpack, a pencil, and then we've got all the different pieces that go in there. You've got a locker, a skateboard, some little letters and paper clips and erasers, and just love it. Just passing you a note, which is perfect. You are A+, good job, and you've got class. Love that. So there it is. That is the kit. There is so much in here. I am going to have a video using this kit, and I can't wait to share it with you, so keep an eye out. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, because you don't want to miss, I don't know, I'll probably have at least 5 cards with this kit, and maybe several bonus cards to go along with it. But this is so full of so much, and yeah. And it's still available, so I'll have it linked down below. All right, everybody, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.